Hi, I'm Jonathan Shelton and I'm an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. And I've been a Catalyst patient now for about a year. Some of the stereotypes I heard about HRT, one is that it's, like you're doing steroids, like you're doing something crazy, that it's bad for you. And I knew better because I had already researched this and know that patients are actually way healthier when their hormones are optimized. You're actually less likely to have cardiovascular events or heart issues. And so there's a lot of myths out there that thankfully are being dispelled. Another myth is that you can't maintain fertility, and there are actually ways that you can maintain fertility as well. And so those are some of the things that I'd heard that turned out not to be true, thankfully. If I knew someone who was going through the same things I was going through, I would tell them to run, not walk, into Catalyst Wellness and get your blood panel, get checked out. And if that is indeed what is causing your issue, that things are not optimized, then listen, they've got a great team. They'll get you hooked up with everything you need and make sure that, that it's all done in a healthy manner.